So this is a 2009 Nissan Rogue. Uh, I was getting no start and there was oil underneath the coil pack and spark plug. And then I seen oil around the valve cover gasket. So I'm replacing that. Should probably do the battery just in case. Undo that. And then the first thing I'm doing is removing the air box. This goes underneath, and then there's these two 10 millimeters right there and right there, and that's going to be an open hole. So I got the air box out. There's a little notch on there that will line up, and then tighten that back down, and then that clamp is going to have to be tightened back down on there. Don't lose the 10 millimeter. And then the hose clamp back on, and then the bracket back on. Alright, so next, in order to get to that bolt on the manifold, the throttle body has to be uninstalled and moved out of the way to get access to that bolt under that line. They say you can just do it, loosen it. I'm just going to take this hose off just to give me more room, and so I'm not super blind behind that one behind there. The guy did it but without taking this out, but I'm just going to take that out. Alright, so now I'm trying to make a video to remember what the fuck I just did. So I wanted to get the hose off to take the throttle body to get to the 4 bolts, but I just wanted to get that hose off. So then to get the hose off, you got to remove this box here, the air box. There's the air mask unclipped, and then you got to take out the fucking battery and then loosen the battery tray to get to that 10 millimeter that's holding on the air box, and then put the shit back up on top. So I'm gonna need to get that tube in place, that in place, then the battery after doing this shit. And I gotta get them bolts out. That's why the dude said you didn't need to take that all off, but to get to that back bolt, I just wanted to get that out. So, taking this, loosening that now. Alright, so after getting the top bracket off, then there's this bracket. There's that bolt. That bolt's gonna have to stay in the bracket when you put it back. And then there's that long one. And then the 2 medium sized ones. So that should be free now, I think. Alright, so I got the valve cover off. And then I'm cleaning up where the new gasket's gonna go. Scrapes there. And I still gotta do the spark plugs. I'm gonna do those after I get the valve back on. I gotta put RTV in like the corners. So I couldn't find the video of this part, but like I said, after you get that off, this air box will be out of the way. And then this is the motor mount. You're gonna wanna put a jack down underneath just jack it up just enough to keep it in place. And then so these bolts, those 5 bolts are going to need to be removed. There's 2 long ones right here, and then that's connected to this. So then those 2 and then that one are going to need to come off. And then this is holding the motor mount. So then these 2 are 18s. Pull this thing out and then get that up, and then take those off, and then just slide this out of the way. And then under here will be your valve cover. So there's like the one, or that's blocking the valve. So then, yeah, here's the new 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's gonna be 5. There's 12 of them total on here. And then the coil packs, 1, 2, 3, 4, those are gonna have to be removed, and the wires holding them on. And then you got a wire clip here that is connected to this harness. So then, yeah, just, you're gonna, after this is out of the way, you're gonna have to wiggle the valve cover around the harness. And then, yeah, there's another wire, and then there's 12. When I got mine, they didn't have this frickin', I had to drill in the plastic to get that out, but there should be 12 on here. And then, yeah, but you're gonna have to get that out of the way. So yeah, this is the old valve cover. These things were all broken in there, leaking oil into the spark plugs. So you got your bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it's gonna be underneath that stuff. And then, yeah, your oil cap. And then that's where, like, the hose connects, and that other hose, that's where your coil plug screw into. But yeah, this part over here is going to be underneath that. So that's what it kind of looks like. And then in, like, the corners, when you redo it, you can put some RTC.